Keeling Foundation is working towards mainstreaming information and communication technology into development sector. We are basically from the Kutch region of Gujarat district, which is, Kutch district is the largest district of India and covering almost 24% of Gujarat. It's a land of diversity in terms of caste, culture, even terrain. And it's a very scattered population over there. Only 20 lakh population is there for the entire district. We are trying to bridge the gap of the digital divide. We are trying to provide adequate information and technology at doorstep of the rural area, and also enabling other organizations to grasp the potential of the technology so that they can commit their projects with more efficiency. I'll travel you through some of the ICTD interventions we have done. This is one of the interventions we have done in 2002. Almost 380 villages of data bank is created and well managed till date. Very frequently we are updating all this data. This is as a result, the earthquake was the trigger because it was very much needed to have a clear database of village level and household level database of 380 villages. After earthquake, more than 300 GOs and NGOs have accessed this data and work accordingly. This is one of the pilot project of UNDP ICTD project started in 2005. Department of IT and UNDP was the funding agency. We have started almost 17 rural kiosks in the across the district, and since 2005 more than 2 lakh people have are benefited with the computer education, multimedia education, G2C services, and also support to the panchayats. We are also partner of the ISRO, and we are the first in Gujarat to implement the village resource centers. Basically, it's a teleconference. Yeah. So more than 12,000 rural people are benefited with telemedicine, tele-education, and agri-advisory services. We are also partner with INCOIS, and we have mounted electronic display board across the 400-kilometer long Kutch district, so that the fisher folk community are getting information regarding the potential fishing zones, then the weather conditions, and also there is an inbuilt warning system for the tsunami. We had opportunity to work with Oxfam in the Bundelkhand region, where almost 94,000 households, that is 6 lakhs inland fisher folks, are benefited with the pond level decision support system. I am crushing the presentation, but we are also getting benefited with the highly penetrated technology, that is mobile based information dissemination, as internet and computers are not at everybody's reach, but this is a very cheap and handy technology. So this is one of the example, but in a mobile technology we have experiment with many other also. This is a simple technology, with a one single line you can send a message and you can get the desired blood donor's contact number and name on your cell. So this is a very innovative use of technology we are doing it. We work with Concern Worldwide at Puri district of Orissa. Disaster risk reduction program was developed, and we have mapped out the vulnerable households, at the same time elevated places, so that the risk of the flood can be reduced. This is also recent one of the intervention in government sector ICT for governance, local governance support system. This is developed for the elected representative of the panchayat. The tool is used for the planning and budgeting of the panchayat. Okay. The objective was to have a citizen planning, social justice, decentralized, community empowerment, self-governance. This is also with the district administrator, agriculture department. We have developed online recommendation application for the farmers. Only a couple of slides. I'm skipping.
Yeah, but you're taking more time.
Yeah. Okay.
Your time is up.
These are some of the collaborations took place.
Just a comment. Is there anything that you don't do?
That's it.
So these are the various events which are conducted recently. IQ photo contest on environment and entrepreneurship competition and refer a friend which would change around 6 lives. Ideate, implement, inspire, and IQ. Uh, and there is an award like India Youth Volunteer of the Year.
How many sections we have?
7, sir. Facebook page. Yes.
Yeah, info you.
So can you just show me some of the social commerce thing that is happening on this your website?
Yeah. I'm sorry, sir. I'm not much knowledgeable about that. I'm a recent volunteer for the last 6 months. So I haven't been.
So are you trying to promote or sell some products that client families can be
No, sir. No,
no,
sir.
that?
No, sir.
Any other information that you exchange?
Yes, sir. Only information exchange and awareness among the youth as a common platform upon the citizen-based issues. So we just like a common platform for
That's
everybody.
awareness, that's awareness.
Yes.
That's education.
Yes.
It's not transactions.
Yes. Sir.
Any other questions?
Can you just go on projects?
Projects. Nakshatra, okay.
Can you show us the
Okay. Can we go to the next one? Any other questions from the jury? Okay, can we ask, thank you very much. Okay. Caring Foundation.
कार्ड दे देगा कार्ड कार्ड और बैटरी दोनों ले
I pardon the jury, but our website is under updation. I have just spoken to my colleague that somebody will say कि कुम्हार के घर में ही मटका टूटा हुआ है, but मुझे नहीं पता था इस तरह से प्रेजेंट करना होगा. Otherwise, I have postponed the updation of the website. So this is the basic home page which I have uploaded for the approval of my board. So that is the broad design and color is there for the approval from the board member, but the rest of the tabs are not working and not even a real tab. But some of the project websites are already there, which like the local governance support system. This is the online applications we have developed. For that, We have developed several blogs, several Facebook groups are already there, which is also accessible from the project.
Can you show us something which is linked to the social commerce component of your anything social
Well,
commerce?
sir, we were also in a dilemma from which category we should apply. In fact, we have applied, we found ourselves more fit into advocacy category. We have applied for the advocacy category, but we respect jury's decision that we are put into social commerce category. In fact, we fall more or less in all 5 categories. But I mean, you decide. Better. That's it. So these are some of the blogs for the panchayat members, block level panchayat members. Blogs are already there. Some Facebook closed groups are there for the local governance support system within the Kutch. Like
This confusion happens because a lot of applicants put in their application, the same application gets rejected,
okay,
and it just filters through.
okay. But we have no issue. I mean, more or less we are falling in all categories. Okay, this is one of the blog for the panchayat sectors.
Yeah, so this is relevant, so we can talk about that.
Yes, of course, yes.
And is there something really happening on tax collection front? Are you
Yeah.
collecting taxes on behalf of the government?
No, of course not. This is the blog managed and maintained by the group of panchayats. We taught them how to create blogs. So basically, panchayat members are now on Facebook groups. Panchayat members are doing Skype with each other. They are managing and maintaining their blogs. Some of the blogs are in a regional language also, but I have deliberately opened the English blog. Yeah. It will be in a Gujarati. I mean, some of you may read the Gujarati even. Okay. This is Rapar Block Panchayat. Okay. Yeah. Places to visit. विस्तारनी समस्याओं, that is problems of the area, उसके solutions भी somebody has posted. सरपंच का संगठन जो होता है वो उसमें डाला गया है. उसका जो प्रमुख वो सारे बनाए गए हैं. People have also commented on that. So this is Rapar Block Panchayat. This is entire Kutch Panchayat block. There is also one block, Machimar Adhikar Sahas Sangathan. It is also a state level blog. There are also some Facebook pages, groups, not pages. It's a closed groups where people are posting related to the projects. Okay. Yeah. जैसे यहाँ पे एक LGSS की ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही है पंचायत में, तो उसकी फ़ोटो पोस्ट की हुई है मथुरा पंचायत ने. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's enough. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Safa?
You can present it.